Guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We've got a great 7x16 off-road trailer here. This one is set up to be a builder's model, so if you guys are looking to get one and build it out and do your own thing inside, make your own camper, this is a great option. This one is a brand new 7x16 off-road trailer. It is in a matte gray blackout. The matte gray is a thicker aluminum skin. The matte colors are a really nice thick skin to use. So you've got a nice exterior here. You do have the black diamond plate rock art along the bottom, as well as that great corner guard right there, so you will have some nice rock protection on the front. Front generator platform, side swivel jack, and removable front coupler. Side door still does have the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection there as well as a gutter. And then of course the two 3,500-pound axles. These are torsion axles, so this trailer is going to have an independent suspension underneath it. 32-inch Mudterrain tires. You also have the beautiful black aluminum American racing wheels, brakes on all fours of course, and a black diamond plate fender. Now these trailers usually have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance underneath them, so these are really set up to go off-road, have fun. They sit up about 6 inches taller than your standard traditional trailer, and then of course you've got way better tires and wheels underneath it. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath, and then of course you've got side vents with this unit as well. Rear ramp door, spring assist close, black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb, 2 load lights off of the back, so you guys will still have some nice light at night to see what you're doing when you need to unload and load in the dark. Awesome performance Nudo floor with dry max. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in these trailers. It's a really great floor set up to last a long time. And then you guys do have insulated walls and ceiling. Now we left the walls plywood, so you guys could build it out, do your own thing, and then you still do have the vinyl ceiling liner. When we insulate, we have to finish out the ceiling, so it does give you that nice white ceiling in here. 2 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are the tinted lockable windows, so you've got some good versatility there. And then we do have 4 LED interior puck lights, 2 on each side, and then of course you guys can build off of that. These puck lights, as well as the spotlights off the back, are ran off that battery. So there is a battery up here in that box in that bottom right corner. That's an awesome feature because it's going to turn on lights on the inside and outside without having to be plugged into your truck or some kind of power source. So I love that feature because if you guys are like us, you pull up to the campground at night, you want to unload and unhook and do your thing, but not have to fire up your generator to see what you're doing. So great feature there. Again, 7-foot interior height, so this trailer is going to be tall enough for most RZRs, UTVs, and side-by-sides. This unit does weigh 3,500 pounds. It's going to give you a 3,500-pound payload capacity. You do have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys with the backside of the RV lock. And of course, here's your switch for your interior lights. Your exterior light switch is in a really great, convenient location. It's right here when you guys drop this ramp door, so you can access those load lights easy as well. And again, we've got side vents in here. This is going to naturally cross ventilate the trailer as well. So if you guys are sticking anything with fuel in here, it's a really nice feature to have just for some extra safety precautions. So here it is. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado off-road trailer. We love these products. We use them personally ourselves and have a lot of fun and hope to pass the same on to you guys. So you can go right to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com. Purchase this unit online. We like to make purchasing trailers easy, and we've got a buy it now button, or always please give us a call. We can answer your questions and walk you through the process. 303-688-8485. Again, coloradotrailersinc.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.